What do you do as an artist in a factory? My idea really was to turn it into a fish factory.
1,600 fish spool together, rise to an awe-inspiring column, and unspool again as visitors enter Chicago's Shedd Aquarium. This is the once-and-forever Lake Michigan, created by David Franklin, inaugural artist of the Kohler MakerSpace in Kohler, Wisconsin. An invitation-only residency, MakerSpace welcomes artists and designers into our industrial pottery to build on existing bodies of work, create large-scale commissions, or explore new ideas.
They've pretty much given me carte blanche. I've had unlimited access to materials, plaster, expertise, people's time, and people's goodwill as well. When I finished my first residency, Ruth Kohler said that I should do artwork that's important to me. Then that's where this whole idea of making these realistic schools of fish came from, because one of the things I love to do the best is go fishing with my wife. There's so many art forms involved in making these things. I'm good at slip casting, but the glazing I'm not so good at. Luckily, we were able to get a retiree, John Buter, who'd worked here for 44 years as a glazer, to come in and glaze all those fish. We've been calling him the Gandalf of glaze. He's very, very good at it. When you start working with people here, you start making friends, you realize there's a few people who are kind of trying to experiment and push the envelope a little bit. Those people are important to listen to because that's where new things can happen. That's where the magic can come forth. This relationship between arts industry and Kohler Co. has really made my career take off. It's had a profound effect on my life. The factory is really the only place that this could work at this level. It's full of wisdom and beautiful people